So we start off today's video with an Easter centerpiece. This one involves some beautiful pastel colors. That's one of the things that I love about the spring is that it's so much fun to decorate your home with these bright pastel colors. It's just so pretty. So cute. I like the little chick on the side and the little blue bunny. That is just so cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY product ideas and react to them. So as you guys can tell by the title, today's video will feature some spring DIY projects. We'll be taking a look at some florals, some beautiful Easter-inspired DIYs, and everything in between. So here we have someone making a vase. So they are using the wooden rings for this one, placing it around the balloon. And bam, poking the balloon out or popping it out, and you got a beautiful wooden vase. So I like the fact that they spray painted that a different color, really just added a different look to it. And then we have this Easter bunny DIY. Now this is a pretty easy project. You're basically buying like the cutout version of it and then painting in a different color. Looks like they went with this pastel purple. Oh, they did like a checkered board look. Oh, that's cute. And then we have this Easter egg wreath. Now this is dollar store friendly. You can go to the store and find Easter eggs and of course the wreath outline. Pretty easy project. And we have an Easter egg DIY here. Looks like it's the same person from before. Beautiful pastel colors. So cute. Oh, these are adorable. Little Easter bunnies or bunnies in the pot getting the carrots out. That is so cute. Such a cute, fun project. And there's a little bunny's feet. I wonder where you can get like carrots from there. Like Michael's might have some. But really huge project. And then we have these faux flowers. This person placed them outside, which I love. Now, you can get all these items from the dollar store as well. I actually wish I would have saw this video before I got married because we had similar flower balls or whatever at our wedding. And it would have been really cool to make them. I actually DIY'd a lot of our wedding decor. But very cute, I love it. And obviously you can do like the same ones. You don't have to do different ones. Oh, she spray painted it and gave it that stone look. Oh, this is pretty. Wow. Whoa, she decorated a Christmas tree. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I love it in pink too. I really like that idea. Like, I've seen before where we've talked about like the Halloween trees and things of that nature, but I've never seen an Easter tree. That is really cute and fun. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these DIY project ideas, don't forget to give today's video a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button if you want to see more DIYs and design trends. So here we have another Easter inspired DIY. Kind of have to wonder, why didn't she just use the blank canvas? Why did she end up cutting that first paper off? But maybe she wanted the wood to be on the other side. I don't know. Cute little picture of a bunny rabbit though. That is cute. Yeah, she must have wanted the wood to be on the other side. That is cute. Something you can hang up around the holidays. Alright you guys, so be sure to check out this video if you want to see even more inspiring DIY project ideas.